different producer.
It's your boy. Oh wait, the mean, the same. Ha, back at it again with another video. Alright, so today got a reaction video for y'all. The man, we got that boy NBA Youngboy never broke again. Hey, that boy home, man. About time, man. I know everybody been waiting for him. The man. So we just dropped the song. Slime mentality. The man, slime. So, gonna react to this jank. Let's hop to the video. The man.
I'm running. Oh, my mama slime, my sister slime, my brother slime, my daddy slime, yeah, he slime. Hey, how you gon' do it? I'm in here. Hey, 4K Trey. I'm on pretty dog, nigga. I'm on that same shit. Nobody say, look, let's go. Boom, bow, pussy bitch, don't try to run now. Fuck nigga ain't have his head on. I'ma make sure that these niggas see me through the headphones. I been coolin', but these pussy bitches just won't leave me alone. Crack you in your shit just to see what's on your mind, I'm Youngboy, I've been Kaylin wiping, yeah, she slime. Police on my ass, gotta watch the way I'm sliding. He actin' hot, them slimes were down to ease his mind. Yeah, I pull up actin' in a photo. You would think my niggas with me in this bitch, but boy, I'm solo. And me sharing a sofa, still a come and kick your front door. Bro, geeking off that sofa, wildin' out, bitch, if you don't know. I'm telling you niggas, I drop a bag just to finish you niggas. He think it's done, but that's his ass, I'm gon' get rid of you niggas. At a show or anything, bitch, we gon' hit at you niggas. I want them all, that's on my dog, bitch, we gon' get at you niggas. P.O. Black and trying to catch a nigga outside. I'm thinking for real, I tell you, bitch, I crossed the law line. I'm about mine, let's slang iron 3, run on with that Glock 9. Motherfucker, they clutching, they all in trouble, I'ma bust mine. Hold on, grew up in that fire, he came out of slime, he don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' 9. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance, look. Put on side, I'm dump 100 in a car. Boom, bow, catch you slippin' in, you ain't gon' see the mud. This for dump behind him, we dying hard. I go by top, get out your top, I draw the sword. Everybody in here slamming with a nigga. Hey, they ain't no shit, they don't want no problem with a nigga. These hoes ain't shit, I put a Remy on a pillow. Mention the op, I tell her stop until it fill up. Bitch, dumb, bro, just wrote me in the message and I read it, what it said. He just how you about your ex and then he dead. I'm banging green, but I get mad.
Go. I don't know what that was. But that nigga said, I'm banging green, but I'm leaving out red. Hang on, boy. Tell on him. But the man, come harder. He said, I'm banging green, but I'm leaving out red.
You bout red. I been that nigga, you gon' get that through your head, bitch. Yeah. Up in that fire, he came out of slime, he don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' 9. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch. Check out my murder man dance, look. Up in that fire, he came out of slime. Talk cause you gon' die. Don't give a fuck who come behind, cause bitch we slangin' 9. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, and I don't care who they around, cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the ones to rep on, bitch.
Okay, young boy, I'm feeling you. I'm feeling that. Shoot, y'all better get ready. Have my earbuds in. I'm like, slanging 9. I'm banging green, but I'm leaving out red. You hear me? The man, 4K Trey, free D dog. You hear me?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But nah, for real though. Hey, young boy, I'm fucking with it. The man, come back harder, come back strong, come back with some more heat. You know what I mean? Bro, what the... You need to turn that thing off. I don't know what that is. But yeah, you hear me? This been your boy over. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Know what I mean? Don't forget to share. Don't forget to, I don't know, follow me on Instagram. Know what I mean? That link gonna be in the description down below. The link to the full video gonna be in the description down below. Check it out yourselves. Know what I mean? But shoot, this been your boy forward. Know what I mean? The same. Cook them bank green, but I'm leaving out red. You.
Boy, if you don't.
But nah, Frodo. Slime. I'm out there, y'all.
Yeah, I told y'all.